Good evening. I'm a bit tired and I'm getting ready to get in the shower. I'm not too tired to shampoo my hair though. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. But this is the lazy banding for my hair. This is the style that I've been wearing all week since Saturday. Good evening. I am out of the shower. I've already shampooed my hair. Notice that these have fallen out of the band, but it is okay because I really don't need to braid and band. I just like braiding and banding. Now, before I go on to tell you any more, I'd like to thank you. Thank you, subscribers, for your support. Thank you for just letting me know that you watched the video or you visited the channel, because sometimes there are no words, but maybe there's some flowers or a heart or just a smiley face, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now, for those of you that's watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead. You still have time. 24/7, 365. You have an open invitation to join the Gene G family. I would really appreciate it. So click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. Now, in a previous video, you saw where Kim gave me a baby lock. And I'm going to tell you how I took care of that baby lock while shampooing my hair tonight. Oh yeah. So it was only one and I did not want to lose it. I was getting into the shower and then I remembered that little baby lock. So as I shampooed my hair, well, before I got in the shower, what I did was I took this pin, and now I see there's something else. There we go. I took this pin and I covered the lock completely. I shampooed my hair. Very good. Yeah. So I took this, and as I was shampooing, I just shampooed my hair, and I let my scalp, I always let the water just run through my hair. So I took the pin when I was rinsing my hair, the pin was there. I just held it like this. And that's what I did. And I'm going to take a look at it now. And there it is. But I'm going to leave this pin here for a while it is air drying. I will be back to talk to you later. Good evening. Good evening. That was the previous clip was last night when I shampooed my hair, banded my hair, and I clipped the lock in order to preserve it. So I'll say a lot has happened since last night when I started that recording. I had to go ahead and take the pin out of my hair from the side where I was trying to save the lock. Because I had to do that, I lost the lock. I had a lot of slippage because I had to take it off while it was still damp. And now I only have like a little curve thing. I like a coil anyway, because I was trying to put it back in, but I didn't have the patience to do that today. So I'll just let it stay there, and hopefully my hair will continue to grow and Kim will put the lock back in. So for the first time, I can say that I've had slippage. And I realized that it's not easy to maintain or keep a baby lock. because I lost one. And I couldn't focus on that lock. If you notice in the clip, I said that life changed. I also after thinking back, decided to put in there, don't let life stop you, because that's a lesson that I've learned, and now I just had to be reminded of that. Because while I was filming or recording that clip, my husband was on the phone, and if you pay attention to that clip, you'll notice that my demeanor changed. And my demeanor changed because my husband received a call informing him that his oldest brother had passed away about 20 minutes before. He was in a nursing home. And that's what changed. Life changed. Because my husband was born into a family of 6 boys. And now there's 1. 5 brothers have left this earth, and it is only him left. But we are okay, because God is still in control. Yes, He is. He's still in control. And I just had to come back and finish the video as I take these out of my hair. Since they dried last night, I kept them in today. Yes. Today was tiring. We didn't get to sleep last night until who knows what time, because we didn't get back into our house until maybe around midnight. And then sleep didn't come so easily. But we are okay. And we've been receiving a lot of calls and from caring people letting us know that they're praying for us. But we're doing well. We're doing well. His brother lived to be 77 years old. And he accepted Christ into his life. So he's at his final destination now. Yeah. And I'm going to go ahead and finish taking these out. But just had to come while I was taking it out, finish the video, and let you know what the latest saga in household is. Yeah. Oh yeah. I had that one in a knot, you guys, in a knot. Careful when you do those plaits on the end of your 2-strand twist. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up and finish taking my hair out. So now you have reason to continue to pray for this family. Yes. Pray that we remain strong, at peace, and comforted by the love of God in all that we have to endure in life. But we have decided to not let life stop us. We have to continue. There is a reason for us being here, and we must be about our Father's business. Yes. Thank you for watching. I don't know where I'm going with this hair next. I may just wear it out hanging for a while and just let it stay loose. But as I was taking my hair out, I was just thinking about my brother and his life, and it didn't start out so well. And he spent the last more than 6 years in a convalescent home. But while he was in that convalescent home, he accepted Christ into his life. So it's not how your life starts out. It's how it ends and who it ends with. And he did not start out with Jesus in his life, but he ended with him in his life. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. He is in control. He keeps showing up, showing out. He's comforting us. He's giving us peace and strength. And I thank him for it. And I thank you for watching. And as always, I solicit your prayers. Have a great evening. And thank you again for watching. And now, my 360. Have a good night.